Okay? Now let's continue with the next exercise. Number 1. So you have to match. You have to match the pieces to make a sentence. Number 1. You whipping. Did you remember? Yes? Did you remember her hair? Did you remember her hair? Here's 1. 560 centimeters. And the man with the big mustache, the longest mustache. So you have to go to the reading, Miss Amores. Yes? To complete the sentence. Yes, and number 2, it is. Good job. 429 centimeters. Sultan, cousin. Great, 251 centimeters. Number 4, Hendra Papa Magar. Very good, 67 centimeters. And of course, the last one is 122 years. The oldest woman. Remember, please check your answers. Check your answers. Okay? If you want to do it with different colors, with markers, you can do it. Very good. Okay, now let's go please to the next part. Yes? What I need you to do. Prepare your notebook. Prepare your notebook. Did you remember that I asked you to have 5 pictures of 5 kids? Good job. There you have an example. Copy the date. Today is Tuesday, June the 7th, 2022. What do you have to do? You have to describe the kids. I asked you to have 5 pictures of 5 kids. Okay, so you have to describe it just like this example. This is Mary, for example. She has short, black or dark hair. She has curly hair. She's tall and she is happy. I'm sorry, it's not curly, it's straight. Straight hair. Yes? Just let me fix it. It is straight. Yes? And it is dark. Yes, so there we are. This is Mary. She has short, dark hair. She has straight hair. She's tall and she is happy. And you have to do it with all the pictures that I asked you to have. That is all for today, and you have to attach your picture to the platform. See you in the next class, chicos. And if you want to see the instructions, you can go to the platform. Yes, you can go to the platform, and there you will find the instruction for the activity. Here you can see the example if you need to read it one more time. Okay? So now, see you in the next class, mis amores. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Bye. Bye-bye.